here we are, making an offer, negotiating your price. Forgive me if I get a little cuckoo. I get really excited with negotiating. I can talk for hours about this. I'm probably going to do a whole video series on this, but I want to keep this brief for you. If you have any more questions, contact me. Okay, there are 3 different ways your home could be priced. It could be over market value, it could be bang on market value, or it could be under market value. This is where having a great agent really pays off, because they will be able to tell you where this house sits in the market, and that will be able to influence how you're going to negotiate. Now there's 3 different tactics to offers. There's more, but I want to make this very simple for you right now. The home could have no offers and be on the market for a long time. Days on market, we call that. Negotiate freely. You can just open up a line of communication, talk. They're going to be happy to hear from you, so you'll be able to meet in the middle here. So you've got some time here. Number 2, just listed, no offers. Don't delay too much on this. Just because there's no offers doesn't mean it can't turn a week later and a bunch of buyers come and all of a sudden it's in a multi-bid situation. Buyers come in waves, okay? You could just be really lucky here. So negotiate a little bit, but jump on this. Just listed, no offers. Get in there, get under contract with this one. Number 3, just on multi-offers. There's really nothing else to do other than give your final and best. Everyone's going to be just fighting for this one. More than likely, the seller and the seller agent, they're going to give a final and best deadline, meaning you give your best shot and they're going to pick the best offer and go from there. Now, when I negotiate final and best with my client, I tell them this. Put in your best offer, and if it goes for $1 more, you're okay with that. The last thing you want to do is put in an offer, they accept another one, and you go, oh, I want to do $10,000 more. You can't. They've accepted an offer, they've moved on. A lot of times the bare minimum on a multi-offer situation is sticker price. It's more than likely going to go for more. So give your best shot on this one, everyone. All right, and finally, if this is your perfect home, don't delay. No matter what this is, no matter what it says here, don't delay. If this is your home, and especially if it's a home that you want to start your life and live in longer than 10, 20 years, then don't delay. Get it under contract. I was in a situation once where a home was on the market for like 90 days or 100 days. I guess it was just in a bad market. And then all of a sudden when my client wanted to put an offer in, it was in a multi-bid situation. We won it, but my goodness, we had to change tactics really quick there. So don't delay. If this is your home, make an offer. Just know this, you're protected. Once you're under contract, you've got your inspections protecting you. You got to be okay with the inspection process, and you've got your appraisal. The house has to appraise for what you're offering for it, through your mortgage company. So you've got safety valves here. Make that offer, get under contract, and then just go from there. All right, everyone? Okay, again, I can talk more about this if you got any questions. Contact me, but your offer's accepted. You're ready for the next episode. All right, everyone, take it easy. Bye-bye.